Today I'm about to show you how to remove these tail lights of this 2011 EX35. This is the EX35. I don't know if the FX is the same, but I have an EX. I'm gonna show you that one. See how that is. Let's get it. Let's do this. I'm gonna show you one side and you do the other side the same way, because I'm not trying to make this video too long. So I'm gonna show you that side, driver's side, and you do the passenger side the same way, same shit. All you need is a 10 mil. I got different sized flatheads. You could use that. This shit broke, so but it be working. Fuck it. It's that. That's all you need. Now you gotta take this plastic piece off to get to the 10 mils. 10 mil. Let's pop that off. Use any size flathead. Take it off lightly. That is pop it out. For sure. Be careful over here. You gotta pop this out to come out. So you gotta pull it and pull it out. Oh, don't break it like that. Okay. Now go down to flathead and just pop it out. Go in there and just pop your flathead. Pop it. Go down more and just see, so like that. Oop, there you go. There's a plastic piece. Don't lose that. Now take off these right here. 2 10s. Those off. Now you gotta pull on it lightly. Just get the let me show you. You're gonna need this definitely to so you don't scratch the car. So you're gonna go here, you go around here with this and just keep pulling like this. Go all the way around till it pops out like so. And this is your connector right here, the main connector. Connection, just twist. And there's another one right in there. See? Now there's a clip right here. Just take it off. Just like that. There you go. There's your first one. Now to take off this right here on the trunk or tailgate, you have to take this off right here. This plastic piece, big plastic piece, off to get to there. So grab the flathead. Let's pop these out first. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pick it up. Now let's try to pop this off. This black piece off with the flathead. Stick the flathead. Put it in like that. Like that. On each side and just pop it down. Soon you pop the corner. I popped over here first with the flathead. I go through here. Just pop it down. See, now it's hanging. You can drop it. Get it in. Push on it and pull on it. Pull. Just like that. There you go. Okay. Now let's remove this thing. Let's take this off slowly. Be careful, there's a connector over here for your light. So when you pull it down, don't pull hard. Just take this off first. Just like that. Now let's place this somewhere. Don't forget about your cup. You had to remove this. Okay, and it's two 8 mils. 8 is an 8 right here too. It's two of them. There's a connector right here. Let's take this off first. It's a plug, so let's push in on this and pull on it like that. Now let's remove these 8s. As soon as you take those off, take your whatever you call this shit, and let's go over here and just pop it off slowly. Don't break nothing. Okay, go around this slowly. Pop up. There. See? Popped out. Shit. Be careful, don't drop it. There you go. Pull it out slow. This is a rubber piece right here. As you can see, here it is. Let's pull on that. There you go. That's out. Man. Let's put this one on first, on the trunk. Right here. Let's put this connector in the hole first. Okay. Alright. Put your grommet on. Put this in slowly. Make sure it goes in good. Push down. Okay, you have to, push it in there. Make sure you don't break it. Tap it until it clicks. You hear it click it down. Flat. Now let's put the two 8 mil bolts back and a connector. You could connect this now if you want. Okay. Just like that. Now let's put this whole thing up. Just like that. Now it's gonna squeeze down. Push it in, tap on it until you hear it clicks. Make sure your lights works. On and off. Okay, now let's put these back on there. Especially this one. Like so. Like that. Let's put this taillight back on. Okay, make sure you connect your little connector first. Don't forget about this one. It's the first thing you should do. Just like that. Now let's put this, twist this on there. Alright. As soon as it's tight, let's put this back on. Like so. Line up the holes. You see this? I should line up, go inside that. This also, right here. That lines up with this. Okay. Tap it in so it's in. Make sure when you tap it on there, don't break nothing. Should click on there. These should line up. See that? Now let's put your 10 mil bolts. Okay. Now let's put the cover on. Put this on. Put the bottom on first. Like so. Line up with the holes. Now slowly go up. Make sure you tuck this in here inside the tail light, or else it won't go in right. It pushes down. Make sure this is tucked in there. Just like that. See how it's under the tail light? Should be tucked under there. Alright. And that's it. Make sure your tail light works, reverse light, all that works. And that is all. Okay, make sure you test out your tail light, make sure your brake light work, reverse light work, and that is it. If I helped you out, give me a like. Do not forget to subscribe. Till next time.